अगर तुम इंडिया से एक टीनेजर या स्टूडेंट हो एंड यू आर टायर्ड ऑफ आस्किंग योर पेरेंट्स फॉर मनी, दिस वीडियो इज फॉर यू. You want to be independent, make your own income, maybe retire your parents, but you are stuck. कोई नहीं बताता पहला 1 लाख कैसे कमाना है. They just say work hard or follow your passion. But no one showed you the step-by-step roadmap. First of all, I'm not a creator. I run a business full time and have done more than 1 crore in revenue. And no, मैं तुम्हें लास्ट में कोई कोर्स या ई-बुक नहीं बेचने वाला. By the end of this video, तुम्हारे पास एक clear roadmap होगा on how to earn your first 1 lakh using just your laptop, skills and internet. No startup capital, no fake side hustle. सिर्फ real और practical strategy. This is exactly what I used to go from zero in college to now running a marketing agency that does $25,000 plus per month. Most people stay broke not because they're lazy, but because they waste time on wrong stuff, random courses, job portals, fake side hustles. If you skip this video, you might waste the next 3 years figuring it out alone. Quick context: I was the kid from a middle class family, got bullied for being skinny, scored average marks, but then I was able to crack the IIT entrance and still said no क्योंकि और 4 साल क्लासरूम में बैठ के मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को रिटायर नहीं कर सकता. I started YouTube, failed. Photography, failed again. And then I started doing freelancing and got my first income of 12,060 rupees. And from there, I went all in my business. That single payment changed my mindset. I doubled down in partnership, closed international clients, and grew that first income into a multiple lakh agency. And the best part, I've retired both my parents last year. This is to let you know I'm not a creator or guru and I have nothing to sell you. Now here's the truth. You don't need a degree, funding, or a million followers to make your first 1 lakh. You need leverage, execution, and a roadmap. I will not talk about dropshipping, trading, etc. because उसे start करने के लिए capital की जरूरत होती है. This is how I will build it from zero if I had no followers, no money, no network. Step 1. Pick a high value problem, not a skill, not graphic designing, not coding. Pick a painful problem. लोग सबसे पहले पूछते हैं what skill should I learn? Wrong question. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve that people will pay for? Examples: influencers need engagement. Learn script writing and branding. Coaches need sales. Learn sales funnels. Business owners need leads. Learn cold email. Nobody pays you for skills. They pay for outcomes. If you want a list of problem-based skills that are in high demand, I will tell you in the next few minutes. Step 2. Build a one-offer business, not a service menu. Do not offer 10 different things like logos, web design, video editing, everything. Pick one painful problem and one outcome and build a strong offer around it. Example: I help dating coaches double the views and leads using AI tools to create 30 viral reels per month. This is a great offer. Structure it like this. What problem do I solve? For whom? What is the one outcome and USP? I will give you more examples on how to structure your offer shortly. Step 3. Build a proof, not a portfolio. Do not focus on sales and profit and money if you are starting out. Focus on building proof, a solid case study, and then everything will be easier to control. Now, most people offer their work for free. Don't. This is a controversial take. Do not work for free. Free sound cheap. Instead, find 100 people from your target audience who are already making decent money. Offer to solve one problem with buy now, pay later option, or even better with a guarantee. Example: I help dating coaches double the views and leads using AI tools, and if it doesn't work, your money back. This way, you have the option to work with great people, and if it works, you get a good case study. Once you have got one yes, just do it better than anyone else. Don't just deliver. Over-deliver and just go all in. And once you get your first case study, now you got the proof. Leverage it to get more clients, which is step 4. DM, email 100 people a week with your proof. You may not even need a website. You just need conversations. This is how you write your message. Hi John, I helped my client Ben double their views and leads using AI tools. Would you be interested to get similar results on autopilot? And if it doesn't work, your money back. Now this is a good example of a great offer combined with a guarantee combined with a proof. You can literally use similar message and I can guarantee you will get a lot of responses. A wise man once said, if you send 5 DMs a day, this is just a hobby. If you send 50, this is business. Use platforms like Instagram DMs, Twitter, LinkedIn, cold emails. Outreach is a numbers game. If you suck at sales, increase your volume. Now final step 5. Hit your 1 lakh with math, not motivation. Here is the math. If you close 3 international clients with let's say even $500, you will make around 1,10,000 rupees. And if you close 2 clients at $1,000, you will make around 1,50,000 rupees. Most people think you need to get viral to make money. You don't. You just need 5 to 10 clients who see you as an expert and pay in dollars. That's it. Once you have made your first 1 lakh, build a team, raise your prices, offer upsells, and go all in. Fun fact, if you're still watching this, you're already ahead 90% of people who will never take action. And I have something special for you at the end of this video. Now here is a complete summary. Step 1. High value problem. Don't just learn random skills. Step 2. Offer. Find the target audience, their problem, and their solution. Step 3. Proof. Build a solid case study and do not work for free. Step 4. Outreach. 100 DMs or emails per week. And step 5. Scale. Raise your prices, hire more employees, and retain your clients. Do this and I can almost guarantee you will reach your first 1 lakh very soon. Let me know in the comment which part of this video do you find most interesting. Here is the bonus part. For those who are still watching, I promised you to give a list of high value problem based skill with more examples on how to structure your offer and everything in between. I have put it together inside a doc and the link is in description. It's 100% free to access. So guys, people say you must be a tech genius or you need a big Instagram or YouTube channel. You don't. The world is changing and you need to adapt. If this video helps, subscribe on YouTube if you're serious about making your income online and hit that bell icon so you don't miss my next video. Also, I drop more real insights and secrets every day on Instagram. Follow me from the link in description. Time for execution. I'm rooting for you.